How to see answers on Microsoft Forms. The first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then simply search for forms.office.com, and it will directly take you to your Microsoft Forms. And once you have done that, you could just open up any forms that you want to see responses from. So here is the form that you want to see, and at the top you'll find the option to view responses. So simply click on it and you should be able to see all of the responses along with the charts and everything. It will also show you the average time it took to respond to them, and you can see all of the questions and its answers as well. You could also check individual results, and that's how you basically check the responses or the answers on Microsoft Forms. What you could also do is change its settings. So if you head back to your questions and click on settings, you could change many different things right here. Like you could choose a start date, end date, and then set a time duration for which the form will be active. There are other features here as well, which you can look through. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.